Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So this is the 4210 or 4210, whatever you'd say, Case International. So bit of update. So sprayed the wheels in the coat now. Primer. Need to spray them silver now next. Okay. And see the tractors on axle stands. Those are 3-ton stands, I think. They're bigger than the car ones. So plenty strong there. I got bigger ones at the back then. So all four wheels off. One thing we're quite good now is we need to do a crank seal. Look, no wheel in the way. And maybe now with wheels off, look how much room we've got. I can get right in here, and filter's just there. It's easy. You don't know kneeling or getting stuck between the bracket and wheel, whatever.
Look at all this floor space. So much aerobics in here. So many activities.
Here's a brake pipe a bit closer. So you can see it comes down, goes in there. And you can see, well, the old one used to come down a bit more sharp, but we didn't want to bend it sharper then, So it rubbed the hole against the old one, rubbed against this. I think that's the handbrake cable. So this is the sheath of cable. That's alright, like it's only gone to, just get the plastic off it, but it's rubbed a hole in the softer aluminium, brake pipe in. So a new copper one, and it doesn't rub there anymore. Maybe made it a bit too long there as well, but you better have it a bit too long and have to cut a bit off, and too short anyway. Okay, so finished spraying, put one back wheel on, but one of the spool valves of a track rod end little one was missing, and that's why the lever was flopping about. So leaving the wheel off to get one of those new, and the gear linkages are easy to get that as well. So I'm spraying them with some WD-40 to free them off a bit better, and further for probably never been used with tractor much, a bit stiff, and so oil those up, get a bit easier in as well. Need to stick the front window, lower window in as well again. I've checked the oils for the hubs and the axle. I'll show a video now after this. So okay, doing a voiceover now. So while the wheels are off, we're going to check the front hubs while it's easy to turn them, and the axle while it's easy to get at it. So here, the 1/2-inch bar now fits straight in the plug then for the hubs then. It's quite easy to undo them, just start it off and take it off. They're made of brass, so it don't rust really. Okay. As you see, there's plenty of oil there, and it's nice and clean, so this is right now then. How we check the actual axle oil on these tractors is there's a dipstick here now, and it has a plastic top. It's lacking off with a spanner, and there's a mark on it like a dipstick or dairy one. So you can't really see on the camera there, but it's on the mark, and the oil is nice and clean now. So I'll put it back. It's basically the same as the power arrow I did a while ago then. So that plastic dipstick I showed before, how to check for axle oil, is located on the left-hand side of the tractor, as you can see, when you're sitting in the seat then. So I've done the hubs now. The way you check the hubs is leave the plug at 3 or 9 o'clock. And I've done a vid before then, showing how to do it then. So you don't need the wheels off. You can do it just going backwards and forwards in the tractor then. So I'll put a link above, and I'll put one in the description for that old vid then. Another fault of this tractor is it has 2 spool valves, and one of the levers in the cab felt like it wasn't connected to anything. So look to see if it might be a cable or something broken, but it's actually a little rod then. And the ball joint sort of thing on the end of it is missing. So I've taken the rest of the rod off, but you can see it's flopping about there. Another thing now, while we're here now, is the gear linkage is a bit stiff, and so I'll be oiling that up now. You can see it here now then. See all the different ball joints there. So that needs oiling up. So the wheel's off now then, so leaving the wheel off, and it's quite easy to get at those too. Thank you for watching, and that's it from me for now then. So sorry there, the last 3 or 4 vids there, I had to do voiceover, so it's a bit dodgy where the talking joins up with the actual video itself. So thank you for watching, and goodbye from me for now then. is like a big donut, piece of steel and like a big donut, and that's your piston and so your slave cylinder and as well really. So oil goes in there and pushes that forward, and you have a brake disc then in front of it, just inside there. Yeah, and it has a separate handbrake then, because, well, pretty much because of that. Like a New Holland TM, or basically anything like based on a Fiat, you know, they have a similar system to this, you know, big round piston coming out, same as this sort of thing. And because of that, you can't put a cable onto it, it's only oil. So you have to have a separate handbrake. Like a TM has like plates and like brake pads inside, like along here this way. And then you have brakes like that in the back as well. So yeah, different tracks has different things. Like 7040 now has brakes like an old Ford. We have actuators inside, and it's just a sort of piston that pulls on the actuator, and you have a cable then that pulls on as well, so it's more mechanical. And but this is totally hydraulic system. And like a David Brown has like just slave cylinders there that pull on the brakes, you know. So yeah, Inter went full hydraulic sort of thing. And like with TMs and sort of Fiat tractors, we're like that as well really, separate handbrake because of it. Can't actually put a handbrake on the foot brake sort of thing, like Ford did.